Hey guys, today I'll show you how to adjust the volume on the Waze app. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to the settings, then tap voice and sound to access the app's audio settings. In the sound section, make sure navigation sound is turned on. Then, adjust the guidance volume by choosing soft, normal, or loud, depending on the options available in your version of Waze. If you're using Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay, make sure your phone's media volume and your car's audio volume are both turned up. You can also press the volume up button in your phone while Waze is speaking to increase the navigation voice. Once you finish, start a route and listen to the voice guidance to make sure the volume is set to your preferred level. And that's how to adjust the volume on the Waze app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.